Hey, I got to ask you a question as a real estate agent. What is 2020 going to look like for you? Now, I'm not talking about I have a New Year's resolution and I really want to start selling more houses and I'm really going to buckle down. The question for you is, do you have a system and various offers that the buyers and sellers are going to be very intrigued by and want to work with you? Well, I'll tell you what, on New Year's Day, I'm getting together with 1,000 real estate agents, and we're going to be online where I'll show you exactly what you can do to have a massively attractive offer for the general public. You know, nothing's more stressful than working your real estate business and having the roller coaster of income and a good month followed by a bad month. You've been spending all of your time trying to get a couple of deals closed, which means you haven't been prospecting. And that creates that roller coaster of income. What we're going to do is on New Year's Day, I'm going to show you some very systematic approaches and low cost and even free marketing that you can use to attract a lot more business in 2020. You know, the only thing that matters is, am I really going to grow my business here? Is every month going to be better than the last? We already know you can't depend on referrals anymore. Referrals aren't working the way they used to. They're okay. You'll get them fairly often, but you're not going to get them as regularly as you used to because people simply aren't asking coworkers or friends how to find a real estate agent. The internet has replaced that. So what I want to do is show you some totally free marketing and some very low cost approaches that you can use. We're going to spend about an hour together on New Year's Day. We're doing it at 2 o'clock Eastern Time, 11 Pacific. It's totally free for you to join in. You can simply opt in here if there's a button below, or you can go to newyearnewagent.com. I want you to write that down, newyearnewagent.com. And if you want to feel like you're a new agent, if you want to feel invigorated by the business you're having again, if you want to get excited in the real estate business, all you got to do is turn on some lead flow. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So make sure you get registered. We are going to cap that at 1,000 attendees because we use a program that will only let us broadcast to 1,000 people. So I want you to get registered. Again, we'll be together on New Year's Day, 2 o'clock Eastern, 11 o'clock Pacific, and there will not be a replay, so you will have to be on there live. I think you'll find this incredibly valuable, and most importantly, if we can hit the ground running, if you can start the year with a tremendous surge of business, I think it's going to give you the leverage you need, and it's going to give you the cash flow that you need from those closings to really build a big business for yourself. So get yourself registered. Again, newyearnewagent.com, or if there's a button here, you can click that and we'll get you registered so that you can attend on New Year's Day. Let's grow your real estate business the right way. I'll show you some case studies. I'll show you some examples of exactly what you can do to make the year the best year that you've ever had. We'll plan on seeing you on New Year's Day. Again, newyearnewagent.com. Grab your spot and we'll see you there. Let's make 2020 huge for you.